Yeah, I lived in Waltham, Mass for a couple of years, and I live right by the watch factory, so I have quite a few of these. And this one's running very strong. I used to wear this one at work. Uh, I'll pop open, first we'll walk through some of the imagery from its restoration, and then we'll pop open the back cover and take a look at the movement. And here it is. Here's the movement from this piece. It's moving pretty strong right here, and absolutely gorgeous 15 jewel Waltham pocket watch. A real treat to work on. Looks very plain Jane from the outside, but absolutely beautiful inside where it counts.